This temple, don't think it is ordinary building. It is Vaikuntha.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare
Hare Krishna, welcome everybody. And now you can see that the grand temple design, the concept which we had is started the construction. Here is the temple at the basement, the temple construction has started. And very soon you see the pillars will come for the temple. And also what we see as an ashram, the construction already started. There you can see the pillars also coming. And the guest house you have made will be the guest house structure, and it's a very long building. In fact, 2 floors will be below, because this side you can see a road, and then our property extends till the road. So all that is cut, that belongs to the temple, and we will have 32 rooms coming for the guests, all of you. Then we have a dormitory coming, a huge team kitchen will also come up there, and also we will have a restaurant, Govinda's restaurant there. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So we will need your help so that we can finish this project. We want to finish within 1 year. So please be part of this so that very quickly we have this facility open for all of you. Hare Krishna.